Go with Nashville, maybe a little southern flair a bit. What do we? Brings out our headlights pretty nice. Let's see. Okay, Clarendon, Moon.
What are you doing here again, man?
Hey, Alan.
It's Alex.
Look, I'm trying to find. They tell me I need a new filter for old Deborah here, and I'm looking Juno, Slumber.
You're on Instagram. You think you need an Instagram filter for your car?
Yeah, they said new filter. So what's heavy?
What about like your cabin air filter, your oil filter, your engine filter, the filters that need to be changed every 12 months or 12,000 miles? So I guess the first one that we'll change is your cabin air filter.
All right.
Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's in your glove compartment.
Well, that's where gloves go.
Yes, it's also where your cabin air filter goes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Is that food?
Yeah.
Stop eating that. Just put it away. I got some stuff for you. All right. So got you some filters. There you go. There you go.
Huh?
There you go. There you go. There you go. So that should do you pretty nicely.
These all go in the glove compartment?
Yes.
Get $20 back when you replace 3 filters: oil, air, and cabin air. Do it yourself or have it done for you. That's NAPA Know-How.
NAPA Know-How.